Hello, what is up everybody, RL57 here, back with yet another diecast car video, and today we have the Mini GT Bugatti Chiron Pur Sport. And as you can see, it is in this blue color. It is available in also a yellow color, and I believe soon to be a red color as well. But yeah, overall the box is in this blue color, and the other side is in this matte color, of course, matte gray. There's the car right there if you want to see it. 379, as you can see right there. There's that if you want it. There you go. And then a Bugatti logo, and also a TSM model copyright. So yeah, let's go ahead and open this up. So I did a review of a Bugatti before, actually two. One was the first Bugatti I had, the first Mini GT I had, which was the Bugatti Chiron Vision Gran Turismo, and the second one was the Diecast. But now I have the Bugatti Chiron Pur Sport, which is in this awesome looking blue color. I do love the fact that they've done the Bugatti Chiron Pur Sport in its original color. It just seems better in this blue color. Yeah, it is pretty cool. Like certain Bugattis such as the Veyron is more to, I don't know, sometimes darker colors. Brighter colors are also cool, maybe in like white color, it would be very nice. But Bugatti such as the Bugatti Chiron, it would be best if it were to be in blue or maybe yellow. I don't know, it's more to those side of colors, but still any other color is also pretty cool. But yeah, this one is pretty cool as well, pretty nice. But yeah, let's take a look at the car itself. So yeah, here it is, the Bugatti Chiron Pur Sport in this blue color, as you can see on the side. Yeah, it's more of in this two-tone color, as you can see. Basically the top part of the car is in this blue color, and then half of the body of the car is more in this is that? Yes, it is. So it's in that more of like carbon fiber, carbon dotted like color right there at the bottom half of the car. It only applies till the C shape of the door area right here. So it's like more of like carbon fiber texture if you feel it. Yeah, it kinda is. I love the wheels on this. Kinda seems interesting. I've never seen these type of wheels used on a Mini GT before, so like this is my first time, I think. I've never seen it before in these type of rims. But yeah, you have the wing mirrors or side mirrors if you want to call it like that. And then you have the front, which is so aggressive. I love the front right here. You have basically the Bugatti Chiron Sport type of front end. So like you have more of like the aggressive headlights compared to like the normal Chiron. Like the normal Chiron, the Bugatti Chiron Vision Gran Turismo, it applies with the normal headlights which originally came with. And then starting from the Bugatti Chiron Sport, the Pur Sport started to use the front, the headlights, more of like the aggressive look. And then I believe the Bugatti Chiron 300 Plus package, I think that one was also in the aggressive look of a Bugatti Chiron, which is pretty cool. And then some other Chirons, if I'm not mistaken, the Chiron Sport, Pur Sport, and also I think this 300 Plus package, I think. But yeah, the front looks so aggressive. I love the headlights right there. You have the horseshoe grille, says Bugatti, and then 16 obviously, 2016. Yeah, you have the massive front grille and basically some other bits and pieces at the front right here, which honestly looks pretty cool. For the front hood, as you can see, there's just one pinstripe. Moving on to the back, the stripe becomes bigger. Towards the back, it's more of like in this carbon fiber texture, which I do kind of like. So in the interior, it's more of like that black interior right there, which kind of looks pretty cool. And then moving on to the back, yeah, there's the engine if you want to see it right there. There you go. And then you have this massive wing, and it actually says Bugatti in blue right there, as you can see. And interesting to know, this car is basically, well, obviously the back part only. This car is mainly based out of a X-Wing from Star Wars. If you try to compare an X-Wing by the rear view of the X-Wing with the rear view of the Bugatti Chiron Pursport, mainly it has this sort of like X shape. It is mainly to be like that, and it's basically designed on purpose just to compare to the X-Wing. So this is like more of the X-Wing on the road basically. But yeah, pretty cool. I like the interesting kind of like Easter egg. Yeah, you have the massive rear wing. You have the rear lights, which is quite long, and yeah, as you can see right there, it looks pretty nice. It says Chiron at the license plate. You obviously have the big rear diffusers, and of course you cannot forget the exhaust pipes, which kind of look cool. I do love the exhaust pipes on any Chiron. It just, and anything that comes out of great exhaust pipes just are cool. Especially Lamborghini, they kind of like to do the minimalistic but still insanely cool rear exhausts. But yeah, there you go. That is my review of the Bugatti Chiron Pursport. Let me know down in the comments what you think about the Chiron Pursport. And yeah, there you go. That's my video for today. Once again, I'd like to say thank you guys for watching. See my other videos. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you soon. Bye bye.